If you've come across Pingubuy.com while browsing for trendy products or deals online, you're probably wondering, is Pingubuy legit or just another scam website? With so many online stores popping up every day, it's smart to do your research before making a purchase. What is Pingubuy.com? Pingubuy.com is an e-commerce site that offers a wide range of products, often focused on household gadgets, personal accessories, and seasonal items. The site promotes competitive pricing and eye-catching discounts, which has attracted a growing number of visitors. But with limited online presence, it's important to look closely at what users are saying and how the site operates. Website overview. At first glance, Pingubuy appears to be professionally designed. The product listings are well organized and there are clear descriptions and photos. However, the site lacks some of the trust signals many shoppers look for, such as an About Us page, detailed company information, or verified third-party reviews. Customer feedback. One of the biggest red flags for online shoppers is the lack of consistent, verified customer reviews. While some users have claimed successful orders, others report issues with delayed shipping, hard-to-reach customer service, or receiving items that didn't match the descriptions. This mix of reviews suggests a need for caution. Payment and refund concerns. Pingubuy does support credit card payments, which offers some buyer protection. However, refund policies on the site may seem vague or hard to understand. Before purchasing, always double-check the return and exchange process and consider using a payment method that offers fraud protection. Final verdict: is Pingubuy.com legit? Pingubuy.com might not be an outright scam, but it also doesn't provide the level of trust, transparency, and reliability that most shoppers expect from reputable online retailers. If you decide to order, start with a small purchase and keep records of all transactions. For those looking for peace of mind, buying from better-known platforms with stronger customer service may be the safer route. Bottom line, Pingubuy.com is a mixed bag. While some have received their orders, others warn of potential issues. Do your homework, read recent reviews, and shop smart.